Yo, what's good? If you're interested, the homie Melo's interview is out now. I'll put a little clip right here. But yeah, it's out now. It took me a couple of months to edit it because, you know, just stress. And then like this job, like I said, it has me like working long hours. So yeah, man. Hope you enjoy that if you're into cars.
The next day.
God damn, it wasn't even fucking recording. But Amazon drove me to this. And the homie got this shit.
Gang me and this shit.
Gang, nigga. I don't know who smoked.
Should never do this. This is not good for your health. I got some good gas in the trunk though. I'm a plug.
So
what movies you think over here?
Anything scary?
No, I hate fucking scary movies.
Are you serious? Oh, this nigga.
I'm a bitch. I hate scary movies.
But what he said, don't smoke cigarettes. Don't do what we do, kids. Stay with the green.
I hope if the kids, they're not watching this with their time. I hope they're doing their fucking homework or something.
I used to smoke, y'all, a little fun fact. I used to smoke Newport 100s. That's what I used to smoke.
You used to smoke them Cadillacs?
Yeah, nigga.
Damn, bro.
Nigga, I didn't even do my hair, nigga. I haven't vlogged in a while. So the vlogs that you were seeing before, I haven't vlogged in like 2 months.
They missed me on the vlogs.
Yeah.
They missed me doing stupid shit.
Yeah. No.
I used to do a lot of stupid shit on
Gang up in this bitch.
Remember that time that dude followed us?
Oh yeah. I don't know if I put that in the vlog though.
Oh. There's one time I flicked somebody off, and she was driving, and he followed us for like a good 10 miles.
Yeah. I was thinking,
and we were trying to get out the car, but
you can't do that shit with white people. You know, they'll take your ass to court.
So I got out the car, I walked towards him, hopped back in the car. 5 minutes later, he was gone. So he was a bitch, but it's all good.
Wasn't he tailgating us though?
Yeah, he was tailgating us. Cause you know those people that like follow you really closely, and then when you move over, they like get in the same lane. Like I hate that shit. Like at least give me enough space to move over. Don't be halfway in my lane by the time I'm getting out the lane.
No, he was like on our bumper to the point like we couldn't see his tail lights. You should be able to see the bumper. Yeah. You couldn't see his bumper at all. Sorry if this vlog is like weird because
that light is just fucking me up because it's blinking.
I'm lit like Dick. I'm drunk as shit.
I'm still in my work clothes.
Yeah.
Shout out Vince. Who else? Who's the other dude that drives the Audi? Colin.
Audi. Oh, he only had an Audi number. He crashed it.
What are you getting now?
He got like an R8, I think.
Oh, you went from an Audi to a... Ooh.
Yeah, nigga big pimpin' now. Shout out to Ambitious Whips. I fucking
Audi R8, really?
I'm in Ambitious Whips now.
Huh?
I'm in Ambitious Whips now.
You had the Audi R8 though? Like the coupe?
I think so. I didn't really get to see it in person.
It's a coupe?
Because he's doing modifications.
I don't see him in an R8. I see him in like an S5.
Nah, he's in an R8 now.
Damn. I can see him in like an RS5. I can't see that dude getting an R8.
Yeah. And his dad got like a truck. It's turbo.
Whatever happened to the dude with the big F-150? The dude who drove the Ram truck.
Oh, that. I don't know what the fuck happened to this nigga. I like random people. Oh shit. Okay, I gotta sober up. No more drinking. Yo, what's up? I completely forgot to end the vlog that night, but yeah, man. Cause I was told I was drunk as shit. That dude who mixed the drinks, bro? Like I don't know what the hell he did, but yo, he mixed it right though. Yeah, I think he put majority vodka in it and like this much cranberry. Like, I don't know, but that first one knocked me on my ass because the first one was like really like you can barely tell like it was cranberry in it. So I think that was mostly just vodka. The second one, it tastes like pure alcohol, but still it looked like it had more cranberry in it, but I was gone. So I was only Mark, bro. That nigga was as hell. But yeah, I'm out. I'm about to make this video about Amazon. I got fired.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching.
steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach your destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.